Goods and Services, Lesson 1. Today we'll learn what goods and services are and be able to identify them. 1. What do you think goods means? What do you think services means? Take a moment and think about it. 2. Click on this link to watch a video about goods and services. Now, let's write our ideas in a T-chart. First, make a big T on a page in your notebook. Next, write goods. Well, here's the T. Next, write goods on the left column and write services on the right. Last, write some examples of goods in the left column and some examples of services on the right. So, goods, it's a thing. Oh, I need new sneakers. That's a thing. Services. Oh, I need a haircut. Wish I could go get a haircut. That's a service. Somebody could cut my hair for me. Now you fill in the rest of the chart. When your chart is finished, write your answers to these two questions. What does goods mean? What does services mean? Do you remember from the video? Write it down.